back to 11 News. We are taking a look at the storm moving up the coast, and it's been strengthening over the past couple of hours, which is why some of you may have heard some thunder. We call that thunder snow. Tom Tasselmeyer is going to talk a little bit more about that coming up. First, I want to look just at the radar, show you what's happening right now. Heaviest snow bands are actually well north of Baltimore now, mainly over Frederick County, northern Carroll County, and pushing up through southern Pennsylvania. So those are the areas that are really going to tack up additional snow amounts over these next couple of hours. Now, interesting, across the lower eastern shore, this has been a mess of a mix. So it's raining right now in Ocean City, but out towards areas like Easton and Cambridge, it's been wavering back and forth between some rain and sleet, some heavy snow, and this is going to be something that continues as warm air nudges in on the southeast side of this storm system. So we are seeing at least that mix east, but around Baltimore, this has mainly been a snow event. And zooming into the higher snow bands right now, Frederick, that dark shading of purple there, that could easily be at least over an inch an hour, possibly 2 to 3 inches in the highest spots. That's something we tend to see when we get that thunder. It tells us the storm is deepening so much that you can get those intense snowfall rates. So talking about how much these areas have already gotten, these are reports coming in from the National Weather Service, 20.3 inches now in Montgomery Village in Montgomery County. So we're already getting to that 20-inch or above snowfall amounts. Newmarket and Frederick, 18 inches. Reisterstown, 17.4. And even Easton now reporting a foot of snow. Pretty incredible stuff, and we still have many more hours to go to see what's going to be happening into the next couple of hours. We'll send it over to Chief Meteorologist Tom Tasselmeyer, and I can say my own Easton is doing well at home.
I was going to ask you about that, yeah.
He's alive. Not that I doubted my husband, but I could promise I have video and photo proof he's alive.
You'd have that much confidence in Kevin, huh? All right, all right. Well, Easton's first big storm. How about that? The blizzard of 2016. Look at the lightning strikes up to the north of us in south central Pennsylvania, up toward just areas east of Harrisburg. Might be hearing some thunder up there in southern Pennsylvania with some of those storms. And again, what we say is that this is a good indication of the upward motion in the atmosphere. The intense updrafts here producing those thunder snows up toward Harrisburg with snowfall rates pretty impressive, 2-3 inches an hour. And we're on the southern edge of all that. We're also seeing lightning strikes occurring offshore. And some of that could also rotate back around toward the mid-Atlantic coast as this storm system continues to crank. The water temperatures out here over the Atlantic are still very warm, so that's kind of feeding this system. It brings rain right along the coast, but then as that warm, moist ocean air gets into the cold air that's sitting out over central Maryland, then it changes over to intense snowfall, and that's what we're seeing. And as the storm continues to intensify and high pressure still sitting to our north, the contrast produces some really strong winds. 45 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts along the coast. Wilmington, Delaware now gusting to 47. 31 mile an hour wind gust at Dulles, where the snowfall totals are inching up closer to 20 inches there in northern Virginia. A 24 mile an hour gust in Frederick. Fed reports out here just to our west. Fairly common now to see snowfall totals coming in around the 20-inch mark there. A gust to 38 at Quantico. Temperatures are only in the 20s, so far it's still kind of that dry, powdery snow. But as we get warmer air trying to work in from the south and east, we may see temperatures get close to freezing, which would make it slightly wetter snow. But so far, so good as far as that goes, a dry, powdery snow. Still lots of snow on the board here until 6 o'clock this evening. After 6, 7 o'clock, we see some tapering off by 11, and then the storm finally pulls out of the region overnight and sunshine returns. So the forecast remains the same for most areas in the immediate Baltimore area. We're going 18 to 26 inches, but in these areas to our west, 26 to 30 inches are certainly going to be within range, and then lesser amounts as you head down to the coast toward the beach, where some rain and sleet has mixed in. Although again, even if you had a little bit of a mix earlier, it's going to go all to snow if it hasn't already, and certainly by this afternoon, even the coastal areas will see all snow again as the storm is moving out. So that's the latest update. Snow totals are still going up. I'll grab the ruler and go out back and measure our snowfall total here on TV Hill. We'll let you know what we've got so far.
All right.